Hey my creations fam, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend and loved one about Wallace Creations YouTube channel and turn on that post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a Mother's Day basket out of waste cardboard. Of course, I think you might have a lot of cardboard hanging around your home which you're not using, so just put them to use, make some nice stuff with them. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, here I have two circles which I'm going to double like so, and they measure like 21.3 inches by 1/3 I guess inches. So it depends on the size of the basket you want. So I'm going to make a basket, and here I have my cardboard pre-cut, and what I'm going to do is to use a bottle to roll it so that it can create an outline. So let me tell you the measurement for this. Well, it depends, you can use the size you wanted, but if you want to use my size, let me tell you guys the size that I use. So this right here, it is 4 inches, and I mark like 1 inch so that I can cut for the basic. You guys know what I did. And for the longer side, for 32 inches, so 4 by 32 inches, this piece to go around these circles, and then send it for these circles a little below 10 inches. And I'm going to cut here. Let me get my scissors and cut up right. Be sure to check in the description box for product links that I use in this video. So I'm going to finish cut these off camera, and I will be right back with you guys. So guys, right now I'm done. Cut. And then I'm going to roll it. So right here I'm just gluing these two circle cardboard together. And then I got these felt roll from Dollar Tree. And this other one I'm going to use. So I get those craft thread from Dollar Tree which I use to glue onto the cardboard, and this is how it turned out. Now I'm just gluing this cardboard around the circle. So I have a separate video that I made with this basket where I place a lot of Mother's Day goodies inside of it. So if you want to see that video, stay tuned. That's gonna be my last Mother's Day video that I will be posting on this channel for this year, so stay tuned. As I said, it's a lot of goodies and the basket came out real nice. So this is what it looks like after I'm done gluing it, and I'm going to put a piece of black felt in the middle of the basket. So here you have it after I'm done, and now it's time to do the bottom part of the basket, which I added a piece of black felt. So now it's time to do the handle of the basket, and here I have a piece of cardboard and a piece of felt that I pre-cut. I forgot the measurement of the handle, but you guys can always eyeball it, I guess. And here I'm trying to figure out if I want to place the handle inside or outside of the basket, and I went with it outside, which looked more better and appealing to me. Then I added some craft diamonds around the edges of the basket, bottom, top, and under. And here you have it. This is how it looks. And these are some flowers that I cut with my die cut machine and flower dies from the felt that I used to make the baskets, and I add some pearls on to them flowers as well, and I place these all around the basket, which I will do, but because of the camera angle you guys won't see the entire process of how I added the flowers, but y'all will see what took place in the video. So this is a better view of the finished product of the basket, and I went ahead and packed it off camera with some random stuff. Of course, this was not the final basket. I had a video that I place all the different things that you can give to your mom and your mother figure in your life, and this is how the basket went. As I said, I added some random stuff, but I have a video that I will be uploading with the correct things that I place inside the basket. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace. I'm out.